And this is why reason number one that people do ritual is to keep a spirit the way it is, to keep something the same. Ritual is done in repetition, seasonally, daily, annually, to keep a certain spirit in its container, because the ritual itself is the container. And once the container dissolves, the spirit will flow beyond the scope of human use. In a dance, a DJ plays music to keep the dancing alive. Once the DJ stops playing music, the dancing ends. Once the DJ changes the tempo of the music, the tempo of the dancing changes. And this essential principle is what is behind the use of ritual to keep a certain condition the way it is. And therefore, to change a current reality, you have to change the tempo of the music, or the ritual done by those who share that experience. At the same time, to keep a condition the same, or to keep a spirit alive and graspable, it is important to understand the rituals around it, and not only do them regularly, but to pass them on generation after generation in order to keep that particular spirit alive. In the same way, you are a continuous combination of rituals. Your family is a continuous combination of rituals. Your friend group